Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you an amazing AI tool that will help you in creating complex calculation in Excel. And yes, you don't have to know Excel much. The AI tool will do that for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into the video and explore that amazing AI tool. Before we move forward in the video, let me tell you that Be10x has an exclusive workshop on MS Office using ChatGPT and other AI tools. The link is in the description and we will talk more about it later in the video.
If you are someone using Excel in your day-to-day job, let me tell you something, you are going to be replaced unless you are integrating AI in your Excel. If you integrate AI in your Excel workflow, let me tell you something, you are going to be 10x more productive and you will be getting that promotion that you deserve. If you want to learn all this, join me for my 2 hours workshop on Excel using AI.
So I am in the Excel sheet and as you can see, I have a data set where I have different employee names and their target sales and what they have achieved in a certain period. Now our goal is to calculate the percentage of achieved with respect to the target numbers. And similarly, we also need to find the growth. Basically, when I say growth, I just wanted to see how much achieved is more than the target or less than the target, whatever it is, right? And then we will populate some status based on the different growth. And then we will also go one step further and will rank different employees based on their growth, right? But I don't know much of Excel. How can I do that? Let me search for some AI tool. Maybe I will have an answer for you. So all you have to do is go to this add-ins, click on this add-ins, and you will find something like AI edit formula generator. If you don't find it in here, just click on the get add-ins and this will open a window for you where you can search for different external add-ins for your Excel sheet. Here you can just search something like chat GPT or some AI, something like that related to that, and definitely you will get that thing here. See, I just scrolled a little bit and I get that here. All you have to do is click on this add button. So this is called AI edit formula editor, right? And after that, you just need to sign up and you are good to go. I have already added that add-in in my Excel and you can see that here. So if I go here, I have this AI edit formula editor. Now let's open it and see how it is working, right? So let me click on the AI edit formula editor. So yeah, it opens up a window here. Now see, wherever I take my cell, it shows the cell value, right? That's cool. But I need some formula so that I can calculate the percentage of achieved over the target, right? So for that, I'll click on this AI generator. Now here I can write my prompt or my question so that I can get my answer from this AI tool. So let me ask my first questions. Okay. So let me paste my first question here. So what I am trying to ask. So I am saying that I have a data from C8 to D16. So this one is C8, this one is D16. So this is my data. The C column contains the target numbers and the D column has achieved numbers. And I want to calculate the achieved percentage over the target in the E column. So this is my E column. Okay. So now hit on submit and now let's see what formula we can get. Okay. So it is giving us this formula. So maybe I'll just copy it and I will just paste it like that. Hit enter. Wow, I am getting already the answer. This is 111.2%. And clearly I can see the achieved number is higher than the target number. So in order to populate it, I just need to double tap here. And that's it. My job is done using this AI tool. Before we move forward in the topic, let me tell you that AI is not going to replace you, but a person using AI well. So if you don't want to lag behind, then join the workshop to learn AI hacks in MS Office using ChatGPT and other AI tools. You don't need to have any prior knowledge for this, and I'm pretty sure that you will become hyper efficient post this. So, what are you waiting for? Join our workshop by clicking the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to our topic. But again, I need another calculation, right? I need to calculate the growth. So, let me ask the question so that I can get the formula to calculate the growth. Let me paste my second prompt here and let me submit. Wow, now you see it give me another formula to calculate the growth. So let me copy it and let me paste it here. And you see it is 11.18%. And that is clearly the answer because this is 111.2. And actually if I go here and you see this is 111.18. So the growth from the target is 11.18%, right? And to populate it, I just need to double tap. And here I can see I have negative growth because the percentage, so you see the percentage is 44.6. That is clearly the achieved is less than the target. And that's why we are getting a negative growth here, right? Now, based on this growth, I want to calculate the status of the employee, right? So again, I don't know much of a formula in Excel. So let me ask this AI tool for the formula. So here goes my third prompt. Let me submit. And you see it gave me the formula, but it gave me in this manner. I don't think this is a correct one, so let me just copy this one, right? This is the formula basically it is trying to give me. Let me copy it and paste it here. And you see it is giving me profit because again definitely I have a positive growth, that's why it is profit. And if I populate it, I get all this thing, right? So if I go over my prompt, what I'm asking that in the F column I have growth numbers, so this is the growth numbers, and the data starts from F8, and I want to apply a formula such that if the growth is positive, then I should show profit. If it is negative, then I need to show negative. And if it is zero, then I need to show dash. Okay. Basically, where negative, I actually need to show loss. So I can change that here like that. So loss. That's it. And maybe I need to repopulate this one like this and maybe like this. So yeah, profit and loss. So for calculating the rank, we can do something similar, and what I get the formula is this one. So let me paste it here and let me hit enter. So I am getting a rank of 4 for this particular employee, and let me double tap here. So you see I get all the employees, right? So if you see how many employees I have total 9 employees, and this is the least rank 9, and that is obvious because it is minus 55% loss, and this is the top one where I have 34% profit, right? And for conditional formatting, we have so many basic conditional formatting operation. So if I just select all the growth and go to conditional formatting, go to color scales and maybe click something like this. So you can see the most green colors are the most profited one, and the yellow color are the loss ones. Okay, so the dark yellow means most loss. Okay, and we can also give other colors as well. So for example, let me go to color scales, and there is this color, okay, blue and red. So blue means so this is basically a heat map color. Blue means the highest, red means the lowest, right? So this is how we can also conditional format the thing, and you see so quickly we are able to generate a beautiful report just using the AI tool. So let me again tell you the AI tool. This is called as AI Edit Formula Editor, and you can get that from the Addins sections, and then you can start using it. I hope you like this video, and I will see you next time. Please do like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Also, do check out our workshop link in the description. We'll see you there. Thank you.